Next up, we need to choose the correct axes for our graph. So, as we've said, our mass number on the left here, our independent variable, goes up to 500 and our volume goes up to 25, but we thought we might only do it from 15, so that wasn't a very large number, it only goes up 10 in that case. Okay, so what we need to do, if we're holding our graph paper in a horizontal format such as this, that I'm just drawing on now, then we need to try and fit these numbers on. Okay, so if we count for the volume, so we're going to start at 15, we're going to start slightly higher up because we're going to have that broken scale in there. So if this is 15, we need to see what will fit on. Now we can go up there 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and by coincidence that looks like it would fit on because we want to try and fill up as much of the graph paper as we can. For instance, if we went up in twos, if we went 15, 17, 19, 21, 23, 25, that doesn't fill up the rest of the graph paper, and this space here is left out, which isn't what we want at all. We want a nice big graph to fill up to as much as the paper as possible. Okay, so once we've figured out what we can go up to, and by the looks of it, it should be 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25 in this case. Then we can mark that on, and we can draw in the line for our graph. So let's make sure that's on there properly. 25 at the top, and we draw in the line there. Okay, so coming to the bottom of the graph, we need to start at 0 because we're going to go from 0 to 500. We don't really need a broken scale here. We need to see how much we can fit on. So if we count them up, we can see it along the bottom there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 lines. Now that's not going to divide by 10 very well, or by 5 very well rather. So if we take that back, and if we took that line back and we figure out that it goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, we can see 15 divides by 5 quite well. Where we're getting the 5 from is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 values for the mass there, which is quite nice. 15 divided by 5 is 3, so what I'd suggest is put a line every 3 lines, and we can fill up the graph paper that way. Okay, so if we start down here at 0, we're going to go 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500, and we'll fill up that space quite nicely. So every smaller square would be, instead of being 10, each smaller square is going to be a third of that. So each 3 squares is going to be 10, and we'll need to understand that later on for when we're plotting the points.